bird update. Chick likes to go on my arm. You gonna fly for us? Be a big girl and fly. Go on, Lucky. Go on. Big girl, go on. Big girl jumps. Good girl. You gonna let me stroke you? Good. And this is the process you have to go through to hand tame. Jump! Jump! You gonna jump or you wanna go on my finger? See? Hand tamed. Just need to let go and there you go. Jumped. When she's a bit older, any of you guys can come round and come and stroke her and stuff because I'm gonna hand tame her so that she will get on your hand whenever she wants to, basically. She's still a bit nervous, a bit, and she's gone. There you go. Oh, my dog. Hi, Denzi. I don't know whether I should upload this to YouTube or TikTok yet, but hi, baby girl. Oh boy, I just keep calling her baby girl because she looks quite feminine, but you can't actually tell yet. You're gonna look into the camera for us. Sorry if this footage is like really blurry. Something happened to my camera. One sec. Okay, there we go. It's a tiny bit better. It's just not wanting to focus. Are you gonna climb for us? Show us your climbing skills, Lucky. I don't know whether I should change your name yet, because Paige from my class named her and it doesn't look like a Lucky, and there is also another reason behind it that I don't want to say, but okay. She's a little cutie. All the others, they're the breeding pair, right there. They're the parents. All the finches and stuff are ganging up over there. There's some inside, there's one nesting, there's a few eggs in there. Dog's over there watching me. Baby's here. And cute as ever. This is how small she is. Like, that's my hand against her. And she will literally just sit on my pinky and... Go on. You gonna let me? There you go. There you go, baby. She's tiny. I'm thinking about naming her Angel because she looks quite like an angel, to be honest, and she was only one remaining from her little bunch of chicks. All the other ones, there was another one that got attacked, which was sad loss, but the other ones didn't make it because the mother didn't feed them all as much as this one, because this one was the most healthy baby. Look, she is the same time. She will let you touch your beak. Will not bite you whatsoever. Just touches it and stroke. She doesn't like it so much now, but she will do in the future because I'm going to hand it. But oh, you came up willingly then, didn't you? Fly. You going to go fly? Fly to Mama. Mama and Dada. Close enough. Good girl. Right, I'm going to show you some of my eggs. There's one in this one. No, it's this one, I think. Yeah, there's one in that one. There's one in this one. Yes, there is. One in that one. Yes, there is. This one's nesting and I don't know whether to knock her off a little. Go on, baby. Go on. Go on. Hi. Go on, baby. Go on. Fly. Fly. Go on. She ain't moving for nothing. That's kind of a good sign, I guess. Oh, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. We'll see if they're fertile, eh? They're nice and warm, which is a good sign. Get it in the light. Let's see some nice light. I can't see because the sun's gone away yet, but we'll see. I'll turn my torch on, eh? Let's just put the torch on. There we go. Yeah, there is a red line in that, so it's fertile. So we're going to be having one chick. See if this one. You have to be careful with these because they're very, very delicate. And there is definitely a solid red line in that, so they both have a fighting chance. And they are fertile, so we'll be having some little chicks if they go through and don't die off. We'll just place that back on there. Have we got one in the sun? We've not got one in that one. But oh wow, we've got little hanging ones here as well. So I know that there is 2 in that one.
What are you doing?
I'm checking the eggs. And a little baby flight. She's so sweet. Mother. She went to her mama. She's there between her mum and dad. She's so sweet. Problem, you guys. Trying to get out, but this one doesn't want to move. Ah, there we go, you little cheeky sod. Okay, we'll open the door. Once these go maniacs, because I move. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Under the bench. Under the bench. And they all go chaotic. Whoa, guys. You're going to move for us, Lucky. We need to get to the door, sweet pea. Come on, hop up. Hop up. We'll go on this end. You're not going willingly. I've had enough today, I know. We'll go back in the nest. Go on. In the nest. You cheeky boo. Go on. She's gone in the nest now. Stay in. Stay in, sweet pea. Fine. We'll put you on the nest. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. There you go. See? There you go. Comfy now? Alright. And don't go maniacs towards me because I cannot let you out. Oof, and there's Billy. You may be wondering why Billy is in a separate cage. Because Billy is a little idiot. Because he keeps like eating my babies and he kind of scares me a tiny bit. Because he's the one that always comes charging at me when I come in. And he's going to the auctions today. Tomorrow, I think it is. Might be. It might be next week, actually. I don't know. And there's my other dog, Tilly. She can't come in because she's an absolute idiot and tries to chase my birds. In. Yes, smiles. Bye.